Hello everyone. Today I'll be walking you through a powerful custom QGIS plugin called the Site Topographic Analysis Tool. And this plugin was developed by the Geoinfotech team, which can be seen here. Yeah, this is the plugin, and this is a tool that can be used to carry out some terrain and hydrological analysis. From this you can see how the workflow goes, and as we dive in, we are going to see how we can use this tool to do some specific analysis. And this analysis can be used for some projects like engineering projects, environmental impact studies, hydrological modeling, urban planning, and what have you. So let's dive in and see what we could use this for. Alright, as you can see here, having put in the plugins, you will see where the tool is listed here, Site Topographic Analysis Tool. And I'll be importing the shapefile and the raster data I'll use for this work. For the shapefile, I'm using a place that's somewhere in Anambra State called the Olu local government. This is it, but we need to use the extension SHP, which is the shapefile. I did that. Already I have the raster that was clipped with DM of the area, yes, which was somewhere in the folder called the clip folder. This is it, the Olu DM. So having added this, can go ahead to make use of the tool to see what can be generated using the tool. Now you can see that this tool, there are two major things that we need: the shapefile showing the region and also the DEM, because with this we'll be able to carry out our analysis where the contour, the height, shade, aspects and the rest will be configured. Now this is the interface, the Site Topographic Analysis Tool interface, where we can see what will be the output after we carry out the analysis. Here we can see the hydrological analysis. This is the symbology options, how we want the classes to be classified, how you want the features to be classified. See slope, aspect, height, shade, flow accumulation, flow direction, watersheds. So let's go into the main work. Now we are going to import the DM already, which was there. We choose the DM here, then choose where we want the work to be exported to. Now choose a folder. I already created a folder called the output folder. Yeah, then I'll select that. Alright, so then I'll choose where the extent the area should be clipped out. I'll choose clip study area. So I'll choose I should be within the Olu shapefile. Is it? Should be within Olu. Thereafter, I'll need to check the parameters. What do I need for the work? For the aspect, do I need it? What will I use it for? So looking at it, I'll choose all of it because I'm trying to let us know what this tool can be used to produce. I can see the slope, the aspect, the height, shade, flow accumulation, and each of these has various functions when it comes to engineering, surveying, or hydrological modeling projects. Yeah. So having set this up, you can see that in the aspect of slope, we have an option to choose whether in terms of percentage or degrees. Then we wish to choose the projection. All these are in default forms, and it based on what the client wants, or based on your specification, you can make the choice. Thereafter, we see the different degrees of the sun, azimuth, and the altitude, even with the height factor. Then we can see the number of contours, the contour interval. Alright, so we can generate this to see how the output would look like. We click run analysis. It takes some couple of minutes or seconds to run, and with what will come out, we will see that we can practically use this to carry out some crucial analysis, even for the road alignment planning, for oil and gas facility planning, and a host of others. So this Python based QGIS plugin is really crucial, and now we can see that the output is ready. We simply click OK and we close the work to see what we have as an output. First, we can see our watershed. Thereafter, we can see the stream network. These are the stream network looks. We can overlay the shape first so that we know how well it is. Yes, so that we know the stream, how well it has gone. But let's just dive in and see other ones. We can see the flow accumulation. We can see the flow direction. This is it. You can see the, let's close this so that we see other, we see the contour. Yes, this is a 10 meters interval contour. You can see how it is well detailed, and we can see the high shade. Yes, now this high shade can be used for some crucial analysis. Yes, when you're running high shade is mostly used when you want to carry out some hydrological analysis and we want to create a 3D terrain visualization. Yeah. Thereafter, we can see the aspect. From the aspect, we can see the slope, and all these colors has its variations and have what each of them represent. This is the slope. Thereafter, we see the field DM, which we already had, because they had produced a detailed DM for us. So with this, we are ready to use the work to carry out the analysis in all local governments. I hope this video is helpful, and if you wish to get the plugins, you can kindly click on my bio. Thank you.